Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can activate Windows 11 Professional using Windows 11 activation key. The operating system which you see, it is not currently activated. This is plain vanilla operating system which is being downloaded and installed. It doesn't have the activation key installed. So basically there are retail keys and volume based keys for any operating system which comes from Microsoft. When you purchase a laptop from any vendor, HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer or ASUS, the Windows 11 operating system comes as a pre-installed. So these installed operating system from different vendor, what you are going to purchase, it comes with the pre-installed key. So there is no need for you to install the key. But not all the laptops or desktop comes with Windows 11 Professional as a pre-installed edition. Since this operating system is not activated, if I click on Start, Settings, Personalization, and you will be given an option to activate the Windows 11 straight away. If you click on Activate Now, you will be taken to another dialog box where you will be able to change the product key for the Windows 11 operating system. If you see, the current operating system which is being installed is Windows 11 Professional Edition. There is also another option to activate the Windows 11. So we will click on Start, then click on Settings. If you click on System, you will be able to see there is an option for activation itself. So from here, you will be able to activate the Windows 11 operating system. So it is Start, Settings and System. Then you can click on the activation. So if you click on the activation menu, let us wait for some time. And for you to activate, the internet has to be connected. So if you see, the installed operating system is Windows 11 Professional and the state is not active. From here, you are able to change the product key. If you simply click on Change the product key option, you will be provided with the option where you can input the product key which you have purchased from the retail shop or the online like Amazon or any online store. So now after installing the activation code and connecting to the internet, it has validated my key and you will be able to notice the state of the activation is active now. So whatever updates or the features for the Windows 11 Professional, from now on you will be able to completely use for the Windows 11. So you need to use Windows 11 Professional Edition activation key to activate in case if you wanted to upgrade your laptop or desktop from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Professional. So volume based keys are for corporate installations.